Boom, boom, Tyreek Hill. Alright. So, you what I took. Yeah, I should have put on my top set, but it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It was 8:30. Boom. Alright. Start with the 4 hour. Alright, coming into the day, we are disrespecting bullish PD rays, respecting bearish on the 1 hour as well. Okay, this is before. Yeah, so this is at this point. I did want to see a sell-off kind of from this point on, but higher time frame and the way I view my buys, we're respecting bullish PD rays, disrespecting bearish. Running through these inefficiencies, running through them. But then intuition-wise, I did want to see a sell-off through this day, and I told myself I probably would want to see a cat like watch a mech. But yeah, so just bullish into proven wrong. So coming into the day, sweep at that high. Price action starts slowing down. So I'm like, okay, like we did a resweep on one of the pairs. Like I'll probably look too short, but like then again, like I'm not looking for shorts. You know, this had to be very discretionary, and there's nothing was really clean for me to be like, okay, but like if I don't take this, I'd be upset. At least on the 1 minute open, dip down. It's what I kind of wanted to see. I wanted to see it like get a bop back up. Oh yeah, we got this 5 minute inversion, but I just didn't like this too much in like premium. We didn't really hit OTE of this price leg range, so I was like, and we were gonna go lower. And ES at the time, alright, just do it from there. They doing work and shit. But ES at the time swept out this internal high, so now we have an external and internal, because ES is all-time highs at this point. ES is so like that's the reason why I was just kind of mainly bullish and like not really gonna try to catch a reversal back down. But ES at this time takes out this internal high. Boom. Once that internal high gets taken out, only inversion was like really a 30-second. I think I see, yeah, there's a woman on ES, but I trade MNQ. MNQ didn't take the high, so this is like a potential setup I did see. But then like this is a fake out, so I saw this 5 minute inversion. I'm like, bro, this shit is ass. Feel why this shit is so butt, you know? I'd be mad if I got stopped out. Just because we didn't hit OTE, doesn't really align with the higher time frame. Didn't hit this on for 15 that I would have wanted to hit to take along. Probably up here, and we didn't hit on either of the pairs. So boom, SMT gets put in. Or I'm not taking on because I'm not gonna trade this fucking chop too. I was kind of wanting to align the 9 a.m. open to like kind of my buys. So there was a 30-second inversion. We did get the pullback into a 1 minute, so we did trade that. Rejection could have answered on this clear right there. Break even at this internal low, equal lows as well. Literally could have rolled this shit to however you literally data lows. So that was clear, like just intuition wise. But we just continue to sell off. I'm like, okay, wait for data lows. We're just creating these 5 minute conditions. We kept on selling off, resweeping the low. We kept on selling off, resweeping the low. And my first execution, well, it'll show later on. This was my first execution. It was a 30-second inversion. This was after, I think we're in a 4 hour at this point. So like I'm like, okay, like I can see like we're inside this 4 hour. Look how much we sold off. Like we're bound for a rebalance somewhere. I'm like, we just entered this new 4 hour. Like a fucker. And we were just creating these 5 minute conditions. I'm like, okay, we're gonna rebalance soon. We're definitely, most certainly bearish now. Most certainly bearish. But I was just waiting. So I have so many like opportunities to take the mechs. I was just kind of like being patient. But my first entry, I was already fading these falling knife entries. So we got an inversion right here, but trash. I used to take this in the past and I got fucked instantly. So I saw this kind of like discretion and I knew that was bad. This was the first 30 seconds. This was after coming inside a 1 hour, I think, for Rally Gap. Yeah, unfilled 1 hour for Rally Gap. Nice 30-second reaction out of it. Was gonna break even and we had this nice LR. So like, look at this LR. Nice LR, like I like this, you know. About a 1 to 2. We hadn't rebalanced yet. Haven't rebalanced in a 5 minute on either of the pairs. Came into his unfilled 1 hour. But usually they say, wait, okay, so we tapped in. Initially, I could have waited for the resweep just to be certain. Because they usually do say wait for the resweep after coming to an unfilled 1 hour. But I mean, I liked it. You know, if we were to hit this, I'm like, man, this was kind of no-brainer. I would have been upset. And I have taken plays in this past where this have worked. Now break even at this internal high. Risk trade. So I wasn't mad at this. Risked about 225 on this. Risked probably like 300 on my Apex though. So I was already down. I have a maximum loss limit, so I know how much I could risk. So I already de-risked on my second trade. So we'll get the resweep.
Where did I get my keys?
I think it's in my room. Might be in my room. So we get this resweep. I think we come into a. This one was more discretionary. Got that final resweep. Instant rejection out of this 1 minute. Inversed it very clean. Real clean. 30-second look good on it too. And we were just so oversold. And I had confidence and like yeah. And this was like my second trade, so I'm like, okay, like I like this. We're gonna break even at this internal swing high. And high time frame, we are oversold. I think we're already at an equilibrium range. We are inside of 4 hour, inside of 1 hour. Swept already major liquidity. We're due for a buy, basically. And break even at this one, risk free trade, break even. Boom, break even. I could honestly TP1, but I'm with such low size that I really didn't care to TP1 right there. And I was confident in this unfilled 15 at that point, so I just kept on holding it. Or not unfilled 15, but the unfilled 5. And alright. So we just keep on going lower. This was, I think, the lowest point I wanted to see. Okay, this was aligned with some like 5 minute liquidity, but on ES, this was aligned with a. It was aligned with something. Where I'm like, okay, oh yeah, it was a major liquidity pool. These two lows, like void after this, literally void. So I'm like, we're gonna get at least a rebalance. Boom, took out those draws, and Q at this point is also correlating well. Q's also sweeping out. And Q is also sweeping out. Yeah, swept out some liquidity. I'm like, okay, lowest point I want to see. Boom, money green, resweep, 30-second inversion. It was Cleveland 30-second inversion. I like, you know, literally break even at this internal high, and I'm literally risk free at, and not even a 1-to-1, but yeah, I'm risk free already. Boom, break even. We're taking off, and this is around 10:15. We were trading inside a 15-minute hour rate, so like technically we already rebalanced. We don't need to rebalance no more. We're inside a 15-minute, but I had just such high conviction in this unfilled 15-minute that, and there was like between this whole, like there was no 5, no 3, really nothing. Like we just had liquidity. But how does the market move? Rebalance to inefficiencies, takes out liquidity, equilibrium of a range. That's how it usually moves. And also, once that happened too, I did notice we were, I don't think we're at equilibrium within this range. Yeah, not this range, but I saw that it's kind of like aligned, just extra confluence. We're at equilibrium within this range. So I'm like, okay, I could see it, just another confluence, just to like make it better. So once I got off of Ice I'm risk free at this point, and I fucked up my cons. Yeah, but I think we're good. But yeah, just cause like literally just me not knowing how to work like TradingView, I exited half of my position already. I was gonna tell myself I was gonna exit up here. No, I could have just done this manually, but fucked it up. Took out half of my position right here. I think I took out half as well, like on my top step, just cause like I like this. I'm already at a 1-to-1. Now let me just get like a good like break even day, you know, cause I took that loss before, and I'm going in with pretty much half size on this one, and yeah, I'm just risk free this whole trade. Like I'm risking nothing, and look how much I gained from it. And literally to the tick, to the absolute tick, we fucking reverse. And that, like, that's literally the way I see the market move. I mean, and it's worked for me. They literally like it just works. It's the way it works every time. And this is like a clear mech model. Liquidity sweep. We're so oversold. We're due to rebalance, and I'm just taking this rebalance leg. But I'm catching a 1-to-3, and that's where the higher RR comes. You could have TP1 already at this unfilled 15. You're trading. That's TP1 1-to-1. I had a conviction in my draw on liquidity was this high right here, because it's aligned with a unfilled, it's an unmitigated gap. So this gap hasn't gotten traded into. If this were to get traded into before, I'm not targeting that. We're definitely bearish. I would have took it into continuation lower or something. But yeah, executions right here. Made around like 500. Low-key sold. I could have made like probably 200, 300 more this one, but and I'm content with what I made. You know, stopped out, break even, win. Up around 350 on my top step. You know, I'm trading now like more mechanically. You know, more mechanically. That, you know, and like these plays mechanically, like it's showing all good, but like discretionary, like I've seen these plays happen. I see it get stopped out. And like some of these plays, like I faded these plays just cause like it's ass. You know, this straight booty. And like you could just dumb down the good plays. Good play right here. Solid play right here. Worked in my favor. You know? I asked myself, would I be mad if I lost this? No, I wouldn't be mad. I didn't hesitate on this. Full TP around this. 1 fucking 3RR. Banger. Now we're just consolidating. Now we're in a buy model. Alright. Nah, we're still in a sell model. Yeah, I mean, I was waiting. I usually am done trading at 10, but I allowed myself 30 more minutes. I'm like, okay, like not that I was marrying the bias, but like I had conviction, especially when I've seen this exact thing happen before, where we're just so oversold, we haven't rebalanced, like we're gonna rebalance back. Like, what is it aligned to? Boom, this low, liquidity, equilibrium, money sign resweep, aligned with a 1 hour unfilled, bouncing off P raise to an unfilled 15 minute. And just, yeah. Treating this with risk management. I could have like literally full ported this shit. You know what I mean? Went at half of my size. Already took this loss on a day. Took this loss. And I did come into the asset like, okay, I'm gonna under leverage. So like risk half. I went in with full size on this one. Stopped out within 1 minute. But I know back then I would get fucked up mindset wise, just cause like, damn, stopped out in 1 candle. Already more than half my capital already I could use for the day because of my lockout settings. And this one, half capital still made more on the day. I'm up on the day. You know? And today, like Friday, I woke up all time highs. I'm already like, man, I know I don't have to like trade. I already missed the majority of the move, but I had conviction in this more throughout the day. Like all this LR we were just building. I had conviction in it. Executed. Full close at this unfilled 15. You can see we were starting to rebalance, and we honestly had a mech back to the downside. We have this inversion of this 1 minute for rally gap. This would have been the swing low though. Kind of crazy. Gotta rebalance back into this range, but rebalance to an unfilled 5 minute. And look, a gap between this Unfield 5 mech model and it of itself. Unfield 5 to the tick, literally to the tick. We get shot up from there. Just how it moves, bro. And just having trust in yourself too. But yeah, trade recap for today. Banger.